Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about NITI Aayog, one of the most important non-constitutional bodies in India. We will understand what it is, why it was formed, how it works, and how it replaced the Planning Commission. So let's start the video. NITI Aayog was formed on 1st January 2015 by the Union Cabinet, replacing the old Planning Commission. It is an executive body formed by a cabinet resolution. It is not mentioned in the constitution, so it is a non-constitutional body. Its full form is National Institution for Transforming India. The Prime Minister is the chairperson of NITI Aayog. It has a vice chairperson, full-time and part-time members, and ex officio members. It also has a chief executive officer who manages day to day work. Members include experts from different fields like economics, science, and industry. NITI Aayog's goal is to provide strategic and technical advice to the government. It promotes cooperative federalism by involving states in planning. It supports innovation, sustainable development, and long term policy making. It also works on achieving India's sustainable development goal targets. The main job of NITI Aayog is to make plans, strategies, and policies for the country. It monitors the implementation of various government schemes and suggests improvements. It prepares long term vision documents like Strategy for New India at 75. It also helps states work better with the central government. NITI Aayog follows some core principles. It believes in inclusion and sustainable development with people at the center of planning. It promotes innovation, encourages transparency, and supports policies based on evidences and data. Planning should be bottom up and participatory, not just top down. NITI Aayog promotes both cooperative and competitive federalism. In cooperative federalism, the center and states work together for development. In competitive federalism, states compete with each other to perform better. NITI Aayog releases rankings like Health Index and SDG Index to motivate states. NITI Aayog has one attached office, the Development Monitoring and Evaluation Office, which monitors and evaluates government schemes. It also runs autonomous bodies like the Atal Innovation Mission, which promotes startups, innovation, and entrepreneurship. These bodies help NITI Aayog work more effectively with data and technology. Before NITI Aayog, we had the Planning Commission from 1950 to 2014, which created 5-year plans. It followed a top down approach where states had little say. The National Development Council was formed to include chief ministers. NDC's main role is to support development plans, promote unified economic policies, and rapid growth nationwide. To conclude, NITI Aayog is not just a planning body, it is a policy think tank that helps India grow faster and more fairly. It works closely with states, supports innovation, and focuses on data driven governance. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.